How to hide likes on Instagram Reels. Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can hide likes on Instagram Reels easily in this tutorial. So first of all guys, get into your Instagram application and click on your profile icon at the bottom right. And if you want to hide the likes on these Reels right here, you can hide them, but you can't do it in the Instagram app itself. But there's a solution to that. All you guys need to do is to go over to a web browser you want and just type in Instagram.com. Now you need to log into your Instagram account here that you want to hide the likes on. And all you guys need to do now is to switch over to desktop view. So to do that, on your Chrome, you just need to click on the three dots at the top right corner and then click on desktop site from over here. And as you can see, it turned into desktop view. Now what you need to do is to just tap on the profile icon again at the bottom right corner and then click on the Reels icon. Then just tap on the reel that you want and tap on the three dots at the top. And as you can see, it gives me the option to hide the likes count. So just click on it and the likes will be hidden from that Instagram reel. So yeah guys, that is basically how you can hide likes on your Instagram Reels. If you guys found this tutorial helpful, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, that would be much appreciated. Thank you for watching, take care, until next time.